Have you heard the IRS is going to be really behind in their tax return filing this year? Well, you heard right. More than 75% of Americans have tax returns every single year, and the IRS is normally just 1 million returns behind when they start the season. This year, they're more than 6 million returns behind. Stick with me in this video and I'll give you 4 tips for how to make sure your tax refund gets to you as quickly as possible. The IRS is going to start processing refunds on January 24th, 2022. In order to make sure that your refund gets back to you as soon as possible, start by reporting the accurate information. If you received the child tax credit in 2021, you'll be receiving a letter in the mail from the IRS with the details of what you received. You should also, if you receive them electronically, have them on your bank statement so you'll have that information. You should also be receiving from the IRS a letter with the details of the third stimulus check they sent in 2021. Most tax returns are done electronically without anyone ever looking at them. To ensure that this is done without the need for human eyes, make sure that your information from the child tax credit and the stimulus are correct. Tip number two, file your taxes electronically. At the beginning of the pandemic in 2020, the IRS didn't even have capacity to open mail. You don't want to be in the pile of mail sitting at the IRS for the next year before you receive your refund. In 2021, the IRS reported that they are at the employment capacity of the 1970s. The population of the United States has grown more than 120 million since the 70s. So as you can imagine, there's no one to pick up the phone or open the mail. So if you want your taxes done quickly, you need to file them electronically. Number 3, receive your refund via direct deposit. If you have not received a refund via direct deposit in the past, I will have a link in the info below a video to where you can go exactly in the IRS's website to provide your bank account information so that you can get your refund direct deposited. Number 4, no guesstimates. Like I said about the child tax credit and the stimulus check, you'll be receiving letters in the mail with those details. If you receive those via direct deposit, you'll have that information in your bank account. So make sure that you look at that before you go to a tax preparer or do your taxes yourself. It's also important that if you have not received your W-2, sometimes tax offices will offer to do your tax return with those estimates. I highly suggest you do not go that route and wait until you have all of your documents before filing your return. The bonus tip is to act now. The sooner you get your tax return done, the sooner you will receive a payment. The IRS estimates that everyone will receive their tax refund within 21 days after submitting it. Of course, the caveat here is that you have filed electronically, that you receive direct deposit, that your information is accurate, and that you do it quickly. All right, thanks for joining me today. I hope this information was useful. If you liked my video, please make sure to click that like button and subscribe to my channel for more information on finances and taxes in the future.